Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make substitute during the match in the manager mode EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. So let's get back to the match. Please go to the manager mode and play and find the opponent. And I want to show you how you can make substitute during this match at any point. Let's tap the three stripe button at the top of your screen and tap this icon, this one. So you can make a substitute here, play the player of your bench. For example, just drag this player. You can make up to 3 like this and save. And they are going to make a substitute this when the ball in a free kick or out of the field. So this one, making substitute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click on this button below. Enjoy the game.